Chasing out solid walls. Hello and welcome back to Bright Spark. If you've watched our previous videos, you'll know that adding sockets and switches to solid walls is a little more complicated than dry lined walls. Today we're going to be diving into what chasing out actually means and why it's such a labour intensive process. So what is chasing? Chasing is the process of carefully cutting a groove or channel into the plaster and masonry of your wall to accommodate an electrical cable. It sounds simple in theory, but in practice it's dusty, time-consuming and disruptive. Here's how it works. An electrician will mark out the cable routes on your wall, then using specialist cutting tools to create the chase. These tools generate amounts of dust and debris, and we're talking about cutting into the brick, the block or the stone. Once the chase is cut, the cable is laid in to it and protected with a plastic or steel conduit, depending on the location, regulations and the requirements at the time. Then comes the making good. That's replastering the chase and redecorating to match your existing finish. Now, if you've got textured walls or specialist paint colours, making good becomes even more complicated and costly. The depth of the chase is also critical. It needs to be deep enough to accommodate the conduit and cable, but not so deep that it compromises the structural integrity of your wall. This is why you absolutely need a qualified electrician who understands building regulations. At Bright Spark, we ensure all chasing work is carried out to the correct depth and standards. We use high powered extraction methods and separate hoovers as well. The overall cost and time can be quite substantial at times, especially if you're routing cables across multiple walls or over long distances. A single socket on a solid wall might take just a matter of hours or up to a day or more, depending on the distance and the wall condition. If you're adding multiple sockets, multiply that time and cost accordingly. We can fill in smaller chases to an acceptable finish ourselves, though larger making good work might require specialist plastering contractors, or you may choose to handle the decorating yourselves. The bottom line: chasing solid walls is significantly more involved than routing cables through dry line cavities. Plan accordingly and budget for the extra time and expense. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.